In a shocking development, 7 officials of the primary agricultural cooperative societies or PACs in Odisha are facing heat for travelling abroad right in the middle of the peak farming season. Even more startling, these officials allegedly faked medical conditions to secure leave and then used the time to go on a foreign vacation. The revelation has sparked outrage among farmers who accuse the officials of betraying their responsibilities at a time when registration and fertilizer distribution were at their most critical stage. The trip took place between August 8th and 11th, coinciding with a narrow window when farmers were registering for support and receiving fertilizer allocations. With officials absent, several agricultural operations were left hanging. Farmer leaders described it as a grave act of negligence, leaving cultivators without access to vital resources.
सोनपुर जिले में चाषी पंजीकरण करवार समय सरकार तो समय अति कम देइछन तार भितरे भी जेन प्रकार अव्यवस्था वर्तमान चाषी पंजीकरण एवं सारर निहाती जरूरी थिला समय रे तीनटा पैक्सर संपादक मौज मस्ती करी जाइछन आमे इताके दृढ़ भाव में निंदा करूँ
कार्य अवहेला तमने एंदा रेजिस्ट्रेशन टाइम रे से माने हेडक्वार्टर अवेलेबल नै न
से माने छुट्टी दरखास्त देकरी विदेश बुली जाइतिले सेटा जना पड़िया परे आमर सहकारी निबंधक ये सोनपुर सेमानंको निलंबित करिसंती।
In Sonpur district, 3 PAC secretaries who applied for medical leave citing illness were caught vacationing in Thailand, their photos going viral on social media. An internal probe confirmed their misconduct and they were immediately suspended. But in neighboring Bodh district, the response has been different. Despite similar allegations, no disciplinary action has been taken yet. The reason? The district registrar of cooperative societies, Girish Chandra Purohit, is himself accused of being part of the same trip. The assistant registrar of cooperative societies in Bodh has now issued show-cause notices to 4 PAC secretaries. They must explain their absence, their neglect of duties, and the nature of their foreign travel. Even Purohit, the DRCS of Bodh, has admitted his involvement. He says action will follow once replies to the notices are received.
हाँ आया मु आमे जाइलु 3टा पैक्सर सेक्रेटरी हाँ मु
But farmer leaders see a glaring double standard, swift suspensions in Sonpur and leniency in Bodh. They argued that when senior officials themselves are part of the misconduct, fair action becomes unlikely. For now, the scandal has not only exposed serious lapses in accountability but has also left Odisha's farmers angry and disillusioned.